my name's Anna and I'm a third year biology student at the University of Southampton. For my A-levels I studied psychology, biology and history. I also did an AS level in English literature and did an EPQ as well.
Hi, my name is Anusha. I'm in my 5th and final year studying medicine at the University of Southampton, and for my A-levels I did maths, chemistry and biology.
Once you've made the decision to go to university, the next task is to decide what course you want to study. So for some career paths this may be quite straightforward. So for example, you choose to study nursing if you want to become a nurse, or medicine if you want to become a doctor. But for other career paths it becomes a bit more vague as to what you should study. For some of you, choosing a university course might seem daunting at the start because in the UK there's over 50,000 different course types that you can take. That means for some of you there's a lot of different options out there, but to help you narrow this down we have created this video, so let's go.
When you're deciding on which degree to study, there are quite a few things you need to think about. First of all, what do you enjoy learning about? This could be something that you're learning at school at the moment, a subject you're studying, or maybe it's something outside of school. For example, English might be your strong suit, or you might be more of a science person. You might prefer sports, or you might prefer design. There are a lot of other things to consider as well, apart from just the subject. For example, you need to think about the length of the course. Most courses are about 3 years long, but other courses can be 4 or 5 years, and this might include a year in placement or a year in industry. Another thing to consider is location. Do you want to be quite close to home, or do you want to explore somewhere completely new to you? Also, you want to think about how the course is structured. Is it assessed purely on exams, or do you do coursework throughout the year? Some courses have a lot of contact hours, whereas others are more independent. You might want a course that's quite practical with field trips and lab work. You just need to think about what works for you and how you study best. Another opportunity you might have is to do something called joint honours. This is where you study 2 subjects at the same time, equally. Now that could be, for example, law and psychology, that could be politics and history, but some courses are more restricted and you have to do a single honours, like midwifery. Once you've got an idea of what degree you might want to do, you need to start looking at the entry requirements for the university, and being in year 11 is the perfect time to do so, because then you can have a look at what level 3 subjects or maybe A-level subjects you might need for the university.
As a class, go and discuss what you think is important when finding a degree course. Play a game of Would You Rather. Exam versus coursework. Field projects versus lab work. Local university or one further away. More lesson time with your lecturers or independent study. Science or creative subject. Hopefully this will help you realise that lots of your classmates are looking for different courses and different things, and everybody will be going on their own path very soon.